What up, YouTube? So today I'm back with another video. We're gonna open the shark remote. So as you can see, these are awesome. Oh, doesn't look easy. I don't know where to put this. I think you have to put it. Oh, I know where to put it. I think.
Does it need battery?
Yeah, it needs battery. I think. So we went out to buy batteries from Menards. Okay. I think we have to put plus on this side. Okay. No. Wait. Hold up. There we go. This is negative. Okay, the controller's working. Alright. So, this is the switch. We need the shark to work. It's like a PS4 controller.
Those are extra propellers.
Extra propellers.
Those are extra propellers it comes with, just in case these propellers on the shark
Wait, was it
goes
just to
bad.
open it?
You have Royce's shark, so give that a Royce.
Here, I see.
That's Romeo's shark, Royce. Okay, swap. Alright, we're gonna put these sharks in the pool. Okay, now control it.
Oh, wait.
Whose is that?
Oh, that's. Oh, I have Royce's controller.
Royce, this is your controller.
Oh. Okay, now I need a raise.
Okay, try it. Oh, look at that. It works. Up and this one up. Yep, at the same time. There you go. See? A little faster. Look at that. Oh, he's going. Where's he going? Oh!
The shark is moving. The shark is getting moved.
You guys like these?
The favorite. Yeah,
How you liking them?
It's going good. propellers.
We'll put a link in the description below where we got these shirts.